thought we could spend a perfect fall day together. Fall is my favorite season, but I feel like I haven't really done any fall activities yet. So I have planned a fun Sunday for us with different kinds of activities. First, we need to make a cozy breakfast. I thought we could make pancake tacos with cinnamon apples. I'm gonna make my high protein fluffy pancakes that contain no protein powder. So we need high protein Greek yogurt, eggs, a little bit of maple syrup, and vanilla extract, all-purpose flour, baking powder, and a little bit of cinnamon. Here are the ready pancake tacos. They look so good. I added vanilla quark and the cinnamon apples on top. Now we are heading to Koiraman Payutalli. I don't really know what to call it, but maybe it's a park. So there are pumpkins all over the place, then there are farm animals, all kinds of activities for kids, a home decor shop which has lots of fall and Christmas decorations, in a cafe. So it's a very lovely place to visit during fall. So we're gonna go there with our friends. It's now peak fall foliage here in Finland. So hopefully we'll see some beautiful fall colors on our way there. Now we came to pick up pumpkin spice lattes. We're now back at home. We just had some leftovers for lunch, but now we're gonna do a fun DIY art project. So we currently have these photos here in the living room. So I want to make a textured piece of art that would go here, and then we would move the photos here because we currently have nothing on the walls. Also, we were thinking changing this table to a round, like oak colored table, and maybe get new chairs. So what do you think? Do you think a round table would look better here? For this DIY project, I got 2 very big canvases and lots of modeling paste, and then we got this brown acrylic paint. So we're gonna mix a few drops of this with the modeling paste. These are white, so I'm hoping that by mixing a little bit of this with all of these, we would get like a beige color, but we'll see how this goes. We're gonna mix them in this bucket, and then we got these scrapers to make the patterns. I have made textured art before. I have this in our bedroom, but this time we're gonna do a little bit different kind of pattern. Now I think that the color is pretty good. I'm using this as an inspiration. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do exactly this kind of pattern, but I think this looks really cool. Here is the ready artwork. I had to switch up the pattern. The one I was originally going to do was just too difficult. So this is what I came up with. I think it looks pretty good. Now we're gonna remove the tapes, and then we're gonna let it dry out and add a coat of paint and a varnish in a couple of days. For dinner, we are making Halloween pizzas. So pizzas in the shape of a ghost and pumpkin. I made these out of parchment paper, so it's just easier to get the right shape. I just made my gluten-free pizza dough. I'll add the written recipe to the description. But next, I'm just gonna roll the dough and cut it into these shapes. This is how the pizza crusts turned out. They have risen very well, so next we're gonna add the toppings. For toppings, we're gonna add pizza sauce, cherry tomatoes, then we're gonna use black olives to make the eyes and then the mouth for the pumpkin. Then I'm gonna add some jalapenos, and then I found my Halloween cookie cutters. So I used these to cut the cheese. I used goat cheese for the ghosts, and then cheddar for the pumpkins. And then we'll also add some prosciutto. are the ready pizzas. They look so good. Can't wait to try them out. Now we are eating the pizzas and watching Harry Potter. I hope you like this cozy fall video, and if so, please be sure to give it a thumbs up because it really supports my channel. And let me know in the comments if you want to see more videos like this in the future. See you in the next video. Bye!